Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are in a little gloomy setting today, so hope you don't mind that. I'm in my new space right now, so I haven't set up any lights, so hopefully I can get that up by the next video. But May flew by super fast, and I can't believe we are heading towards June, which is half of the year is gone. It is currently week 3 of May for this video, but next Sunday would be June 1st, so I wanted to get this video out there quicker, so that's why we're doing a little bit earlier. There's a lot I wanted to do, and I mentioned in my last Plan With Me video. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll make sure to link it up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. But a lot of it didn't happen because I decided to switch up my space, and I did it super quickly because I forgot that a friend was coming this week, so I had to get everything done before then. And also, as baby gets older, she has more awake time, things change a little bit, and it's been hard to work during the day. So I'll definitely be adjusting as I go, and things are definitely going to change for sure. So my plan for June is to keep things simple because first off, I have a week off where I'll be heading to California with the baby. So we're going to be heading our first trip together, which is super exciting and super scary. I also wanted to do some reflection for the first half of the year and kind of figure out what I want to do in the next half of the year, especially when I know that baby will be more awake during the next couple of months. So I'll definitely be doing a mid-year reset with you guys sometime next month, so make sure you subscribe to see that video. And without further ado, let's get started into June's Plan With Me. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator. And if you love everything desk, tech, lifestyles, and more, make sure you subscribe because I do a lot of fun things every week. And without further ado, let's get into the first portion. So I got my coffee, and let's chat first with Life with Holly Lifestyles, which is this channel and my short form content. Last month I mentioned 2 big things I wanted to do, and I did none of those. One was a digital freebie that I was going to release, which I didn't have time to do at all. And the second one was send out an email, and I kept pushing it back every week because I needed to sit down and actually write that email out. I had most of the photos and stuff ready to go, but writing the email takes the most time, and I just have to sit down and not move, which haven't been the case this month. So my biggest goal is to get that email out in the first week of June. I didn't send any emails this month, so I'm definitely wasting the subscription for that. And then I'm not gonna push myself to actually release the freebie in June, but at least get the freebie done. So that is my plan. I'm keeping things simple this month so I can reflect and just enjoy the start of the summer. This month I also had a bunch of gifted and paid collabs that were rolled on from April, so that's why I was a little bit busy trying to get things filmed and everything. So right now I'm slowing things down. I am only taking products and projects that really resonate with me and stuff like that. And yeah, so that is my plan for June. Definitely gonna be more mindful for June's content. I'm thinking of doing 1 to 2 posts a week, but I want my content to be more intentional, a little bit more cinematic. And now that the space is almost done, I can actually start shooting more content. It's not crazy messy like normally it is. So I'm excited for that. So for June, Life with Holly Lifestyles will be super simple and straight to the point. Last month, I also mentioned that I got back into Tech with Holly, which is something that I started a year or 2 ago. I wanted to focus more on tech content. I've been on and off since then, and I was doing pretty well in the beginning of May. And then baby started to change, and a lot of the Tech with Holly content I have to pre-plan, to sit down and talk, put on my makeup and stuff like that. So it's been super hard doing that. I still want to be active on there, so I'm going to probably do 1 video a week to kind of just let it keep rolling. And then when I can figure things out and pre-plan things better, I can keep going. Because most of May was cleaning up the space, moving things, reorganizing, so I don't have time to film as much as I normally would. So hopefully I can get back into that. And yeah, that's a little update on Tech with Holly too. Now I'm sharing a planner update with you guys. I'm still using my work week agenda. This is the 2025 edition, so it's a thicker book. We do have a handful of these left, so make sure to grab them while you can. We have some available at poihun.com and at workweekagenda.com. And if you're interested, we also have undated versions, so you can start at any time of the year, and it's a little bit thinner, so if you like more thinner and compact books, you can go pick those up. But I've been using this every week, basically for everything that I needed to do, whether it's just Life with Holly stuff, even Poi Hun stuff, and even my home chores I usually put on a Monday. Mondays are my chore days. So I have that all written in here. In June, I will be reflecting my goals for this year. These are mainly goals for Life with Holly Lifestyles, and I'm gonna chat about them in during the mid-year reset and kind of go through them myself, which kind of remember what I had planned for this year. Having a baby pushes a lot of things behind, so hopefully I can regroup and kind of figure out what I want to do from here. So I'm excited to do that. But yeah, that's a little update for work week agenda. Other things I've been using, one thing is this acrylic clipboard. This is the 5x7, which is the smaller size from my shop Poi Hun. There's also a stand that you can use to prop it up if you want, but right now I just have little photos here because I put it in front of my monitor. But I've been using this for chores and things that we're cleaning because we have guests coming, so me and the hubby are looking through this. Sometimes we even do home projects in here, and I just like having this on hand. I can move it around, I can bring it out to the hubby if he needs to look at it. So there's that. And then last but not least, I have been using my Passport planner. This is my on-the-go planner. Usually it's in my bag. I have been using it for kind of like projects on the go that I need to keep track of. But mainly I've also been using it for home projects too, because I don't have a home planner anymore. So there's things that I want to do. For example, clean the closet. We need to have some blinds for blackout curtains. And then there's also other things such as like soon to do. So I've been using the task admin pages, which is super good. I can just write down everything I need to do. And then every weekend, if we have some time, I can check and see what I want to do next. So for example, I want to reorganize the kitchen cabinets. I want to fix my vanity, which has been a mess of things, but those are not like really important, so I can push them until I'm ready. But there are also other things that are more important that I would do first, and then whatever I have left. And then the someday one is something like very far ahead, like decorate the patio, for example. I don't know if we're going to do that this year, so we'll definitely see how that goes. But yeah, been using that for that. And then I have some note pages in the back along with some lists and stuff, so I can write down and plan things if I'm on the go. But yeah, that is my planner update. Okay, let's talk about my shop, my planning station shop, Poi Hun. For the month of May, we didn't have any new releases. We didn't do anything crazy, so it's been super slow this month, especially since I was busy cleaning up the space and switching the space up that I haven't even had too much time with Poi Hun. Mainly it's just go to work to get the orders done and then do some very quick and simple social media, and that was pretty much it. I did mention in the last Plan With Me video that we have been hiring a new person, and we finally got to choose a candidate, which she will be starting next week, so I gotta prepare for that. I feel like in June my main focus will probably be Poi Hun. There's a lot of product design and product ideas that I've had for the last month or two that I haven't had time to actually execute and get done. Nowadays, I just randomly have random ideas that come into my mind. I write them all down, and then I just don't know where to start. Since the economy is crazy right now, you have to be very careful of the products that you think about, and that if it works, if it doesn't work, because if it doesn't work, you're basically stuck with inventory, and if it does work, then it's awesome. So definitely need to sit down in June and figure those things out, which I will be doing after this week because everything is cleaned up. A bestie will be here and I'll be relaxed and I can get back into full gear next week. Other things is also clean up the space, maybe switch some things up, but that's pretty much it. Definitely want to focus on Poi Hun for June because it's halfway through the year and we definitely need to step up our game. But the great thing is in June we'll have a new release, so I'm super excited for that. I'll share a little bit more with you guys. It's going to be a summer color cover. That's all I'm going to share, but I'm excited to share with you guys in the upcoming week. And that's the little update for Poi Hun. And for my lovely hobbies, and I wished I had time to do, I'm definitely gonna do a little pause on that. I mentioned in my last video that I wanna get back into coloring and journaling, which I've done a little bit of journaling here and there, really big milestones or little memories that I wanna keep. I'll focus more on the photography, so if I'm going traveling, if I'm heading out, to make sure to bring my camera with me. Another other thing is my reading. I'm currently reading on my Kindle, Things We Never Got Over, the series. It's been doing really well. I'm just reading as I go. I'm not going to be too hard on myself and just read when I have some time. Usually that's during the nighttime if I'm just waiting for something or if I just want to read before I go to bed just for 10 minutes. But that is my update for June. I know it's a shorter video and I know it's not too intense, but some months we just need to take a break, reset, refresh, and stuff like that. Sorry again for the lighting in this video because it's getting darker here and I don't have my lighting set up yet, so hopefully in the next video you'll see some nice lighting. But thank you again. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok for other updates, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!